Investing doesn't have to be complicated, and you don't need thousands of dollars to get started. Today, we are looking at affordable stocks under $100 that anyone can buy in 2026. These picks are beginner-friendly and have strong growth potential. Even with a small budget, you can start building your financial future. Understanding these options early gives you a head start. Let's dive in and see which stocks deserve your attention. First up, we have established companies priced under $100. These stocks are reliable with steady growth and consistent performance. Buying a few shares now could lead to solid gains over time. Patience is key when investing, especially for beginners. Start small and learn without risking too much. These stocks are perfect for cautious investors who want to grow slowly but surely. Next, we focus on emerging companies showing strong innovation and potential. They are priced affordably, making them easy to add to your portfolio. Watching market trends can help you spot the next big winners. Some of these companies might experience significant growth in the coming years. Diversifying your picks reduces risk and increases your chances of profit. Small investments in multiple stocks often pay off big in the long run. It's important to set realistic expectations. Not every stock will skyrocket overnight, and some may dip temporarily. Patience and research are your best tools. Monitor your investments and adjust when necessary. Think long-term, especially with smaller budgets. These strategies can help you maximize returns while staying safe. Even small gains compound into significant wealth over time. Finally, remember to stay informed and make smart decisions. Avoid emotional investing and focus on data-driven choices. Investing under $100 is accessible for everyone, including beginners. Start today, track your progress, and learn from each step. The stocks we discussed today could be your first big win. Take action now, and watch your financial journey grow steadily over time.